Hey friends, sobrang ganda ng pelikulang to. Like as in, this movie made me cry like putang ina ganon. It's really that good for me. This movie is called Monster. Tukol ito kay Mina to na inimbestigahan ng school ng anak niya nang magsimula itong unti-unting magbago. Guys, hindi to horror or thriller ha. Ang daming tema ng pelikulang to but I think it only revolves in one question. Who do we think is the real monster here? Iba't ibang perspective ang ipapakita ng pelikula. At patagal ng patagal, nag-iiba na rin yung definition ng monster dito. Patagal ng patagal, it gains deeper and deeper meaning until the very end. At first, na-confuse ako where the movie is going. But I promise, give it time, and everything will make perfect sense, ganon. Sobrang ganda ng screenplay, ng direction, ng cinematography, pati na rin yung mga actors and actresses dito. Basta sobrang perfect ng pelikulang to. Overall, this is a must-watch movie. This is one of the most beautiful movies